Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home by the help of your books and your notebooks. So students, as you all know, due to the prevailing conditions caused by novel coronavirus, your online classes and your physical classes are remain closed. So students, this is the time of your summer vacations and in this video I'm gonna explain you the summer vacation homework for 2021 and 2022. Okay, so students, you all have this summer vacation homework sheet, and in this video I'm going to explain you this sheet. So students, first of all, here the instructions are given, you can see, and this instructions is for the guardian. So listen to me carefully. Guardians are requested to help their child during the holidays to complete their following given SVHW, means summer vacation homework sheet, in a separate prescribed copy. Prescribed copy means practice copy of each subject. Okay, so this summer vacation homework is, you have to complete this summer vacation homework on the specific prescribed copy of each subject. Okay, and put initial signature of the last page of SVHW, means summer vacation homework sheet and copy, and at the last here a note is given. The SVHW response shall be counted in periodic assessment. So firstly, here you have to write your name. Okay, here you have to write your name. A student's name should be written here. Okay, and here the section, roll number, and here in this given blank you have to write your section, and here you have to write roll number. You have to write the date over here, and that's it. Okay, so as you can see, in this SVHW, all the summer vacations homework are given in this sheet. Okay, one by one you can see. So you can see firstly here English, Hindi, maths, science, and after that the homework of social studies. Okay, so this is the summer vacation homework for your social studies, and this homework is given by your social studies book. Okay, and you have to complete this in your PC copy. Okay, so firstly here you can see, here learning work is given, and then written work, activity work, and the project work. Okay, so firstly I will explain you the learning work. Okay, so in the learning work you have to learn word meaning, question answer, true false, fill in the blanks of chapter first and second. Okay, you have to learn the word meaning, and it means the hard word meaning of chapter first and second. Okay, hard word meaning of chapter first and second, the question answer of chapter first and the second, and true false, fill in the blanks of chapter first and second. Okay, this is your learning work. Okay, so here something is missing, you can see. here something is missing, so I'm telling you what is the missing here. You have to learn that how to introduce yourself, how to tell about yourself. Okay, so this is me in the first chapter. uh, there is a learning work, this is me. Okay, so you have to learn about yourself, that how to explain about yourself. Okay, how to give your introduction. Okay, so you have to learn it and then come to the written work. Okay, let's move on the written work. So you have a written work. Your written work is, so here it is also from chapter first and second, again chapter first and second. So from the first chapter you have to write word meanings and fill the blanks. Okay, so from the first chapter you have to write the word meaning of a first chapter and the fill in the blanks in your PC copy. Okay, you have to write word meanings and the fill in the blanks in your PC copy of chapter first. Is that clear? And from the chapter second, write word meanings and question answer. Okay, from the first chapter second you have to write word meanings and question answer, fill in the blanks and true false. Okay, so you have to write word meaning, question answer, fill in the blanks and true false in your PC copy. Okay, of chapter second. Is that clear? And now let's move on the activity work. So here activity work for you all. You have to write about yourself. Okay, you have to write about yourself. This is your activity work. Okay, and now project work. In your project work you have to draw a picture of yourself in the given box on chapter first, page number 3. Okay, so in the chapter first page number 3, there is a box given. Okay, and you have to draw your picture in the given box. Okay, is that clear? So if you are unable to draw a picture, then you can simply paste your picture there, otherwise draw a picture. Okay, so I hope you understood your summer vacation homework. So students, bye bye, take care of yourself.